All right, so I have my value scale and my apple that's drawn with cross contour lines. So I'm going to start to think about where these go in here. So I have a little picture here of a shaded apple, and this can help me sort of determine which one of those values will go where on that apple. Now this isn't exactly the same as this, but you can get the basic idea from it. First thing to think about is that there's a shadow here, and this shadow is actually darker than the bottom of the apple, and that shadow would match the number 6. So I'm going to go ahead and give my apple a little shadow. Okay, and I know that's going to be a number 6. And then I look and see, well, where else do I see number 6? I see it along this edge right here. Okay, and so I'm looking at maybe these pieces up in here that are number 6. Here, here, and this one actually changes. It's a number 6 here, but then maybe it's a 5 and a 4, and there's a maybe 3 up here. So you can see it changes dark to light right here. So I'm going to start out by making my shadow first. Now I'm going to add in some of those number 6s in these areas. And this piece right here, I'm going to change from a 6 all the way down to probably a 3. I can see that again down at the very base here, it becomes a 6 and there's a little stem sticking up. So let's start with these, and then I'll gradually change this one and I'll get a 6 down in there. Now I can think about where some of these other spaces are and what values I should assign to them. So I can see down here, there's a little bit lighter next to my shadow. I would say that's maybe this piece, and this piece, maybe these 3, and maybe they're a 4. And then I can take a look at this space right here. I'll move this over so you can see better. This space right here, that to me looks like the 5. So I'm going to look in this right here. I think it sort of comes around and it's this space like right up in there. So I'm going to go ahead and give that the 5. And then I'm just going to keep working, looking at this picture and trying to assign the values where I think they should go. And remember, you can always use your kneaded eraser if you want to lift areas. You can use your pink eraser also if you need to lighten a space.